A simple banana tree, which farmers leave behind as useless. Today we will show you the entire journey of a zero-waste mega factory where no part goes to waste.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
The morning sun bathes the fields as the harvest begins. Thousands of tons of bananas are shipped daily across the globe. The ripe bananas are harvested using modern techniques and moved efficiently along the conveyor system to be washed and packaged for distribution.
Make sure that's secure before we move it to the line. Yeah, I've got it. We should be clear to start the next batch.
वीडियो अच्छी लगती है तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा। चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। तो चलिए
Watch your step on the left.
कि इसमें क्या बनने वाला है।
Okay, lift it higher now.
शुरू में जो इंट्रो देखा होगा उसमें सब कुछ दिखाया है। कुछ ही सेकंड
Here at the apex of automation and human ingenuity, our diverse teams ensure seamless global delivery.
Everything seems to be in order. 30 tons confirmed. You may proceed.
Beetle. Here at the processing plant, the freshly harvested banana stems are meticulously sorted. Our team
The machine rapidly strips the fibrous outer layer, revealing the core underneath. This process is crucial for extracting the valuable fibers.
केले के तनों से फाइबर निकालना एक जटिल प्रक्रिया है। बाहरी परतों को हटाने के बाद हमें ये रेशेदार आंतरिक भाग मिलता है।
Make sure these are properly sorted. I see the discoloration right here.
आइए जानते हैं।
The tensile strength is holding steady at 45 megapascals. That meets the threshold for the high-grade textiles. Good work.
Inside the softening machine, the fibers are rapidly rotated, transforming the coarse material into fine, silky threads. Here in the spinning department, the raw banana fiber is processed into high-quality textile threads. Here in this massive facility, the raw banana fibers are transformed into high-quality textile yarn.
Banana fibers are meticulously arranged, converging into a single strong line through the high-speed rollers. This process is crucial for the tensile strength of the finished material.
Through precise engineering, these high-speed rollers transform coarse banana fibers into uniform strands, showcasing the future of sustainable manufacturing. This marks a major milestone, the first industrial-scale production of banana fiber yarn, rapidly wound and ready for the loom.
बनाने में आरामदायक बनता है। अभी आपको डायरेक्ट केले का कपड़ा बना के पहना दिया जाए तो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, लेकिन वो देकर उनके कपड़े बुने कर जब हम सिला कर पहनते हैं वो हमें अच्छे लगते हैं।
Boaters. After meticulous quality checks, the banana fiber thread is sported by our automated
स्वचालित मशीनों में केले के पेड़ से बने धागे की रीलें लगाई जा रही हैं। ये कपड़ा निर्माण की शुरुआत है, जिसमें सैकड़ों धागे
तो आप इंटरव्यू में अटेंड लेंगे और आप अच्छे से इंटरव्यू दें।
We identified a slight variation right here on the edge. Yep.
The scanner caught it. We will adjust the tension
फाइबर
now.
को विशेष प्रक्रिया से मुलायम बनाया जाता है, इससे कपड़ा पहनने में आरामदायक बनता है। उसके बाद धागा यार्न बनाना, फाइबर को स्पिनिंग मशीन में डालकर धागा बनाया जाता है। कई बार केले के फाइबर को काटने या कॉटन या बांस के फाइबर के साथ
Look at the efficiency on this run. The alignment is spot on.
कपड़ा बुनना।
It's remarkable how smooth the transition is now. The precision of the computer-controlled system ensures every batch meets our exact specifications.
Inside the machine, the fabric is treated. Millions of microscopic fibers absorb the rich pigment. This ensures a perfect
Keep the flow consistent on the next batch. We are seeing good color retention here.
The soft finish treatment is crucial. It ensures the banana fibers achieve that premium, silky texture that you see emerging now.
The cooling agents are adhering perfectly to the banana fibers.
The moisture-wicking properties are significantly enhanced in this batch.
This massive production line harnesses the power of the banana tree, transforming raw fibers into sustainable textiles at an unprecedented scale.
The automated system ensures a seamless flow of the banana fiber rolls, optimizing our path to the cutting department. The cut banana fibers are moved by AMR to the sewing department, ensuring a streamlined workflow.
रॉ मटेरियल
Utilizing specialized machinery, the unique banana tree fabric is meticulously crafted into its final form. The fully stitched banana tree garments move efficiently along the conveyor, a testament to our streamlined production process here in the factory.
Here in the finishing section, these innovative banana fiber garments are prepared for their final quality check before shipping.
सारे कपड़े इसका इस्तेमाल आए दिन हम अपने जीवन मर्रा में करते हैं, लेकिन इसकी तनिक भी खबर हमें ऐसी वीडियो देखते नहीं हैं, इसलिए हम ऐसी चीज़ों के बारे में
केले के रेशों से बने इन कपड़ों को अब स्वचालित मशीन से पैक किया जा रहा है।
तरीके से चेक करके नहीं ले पाते हैं।
This unit processes the remaining pulp, ensuring nothing goes to waste. And the output is high-grade organic fertilizer.
Make sure the pallets are secure before we seal the container. We have to meet the deadline for the European shipment.
The entire journey, from these trees to the luxurious fabric you see here, is accomplished with zero waste.
This cooling fabric is made from banana tree fiber. Cartons are loaded rapidly for national distribution, driving the modern scale of large-scale distribution.